GitHub issues are a real, built-in way to track bugs and feature requests, linkable directly to the pull request that genuinely fixes them. In this video you'll open and close a real issue. This real issue genuinely documents the bug in one trackable, shareable place instead of scattered chat messages. This real, exact syntax genuinely links a commit or PR directly to issue number 17. GitHub tracks the connection automatically. This real automatic behavior genuinely closes the issue the instant its fixing PR is merged, no manual step needed. GitHub issues genuinely track bugs and feature requests in one place. Fixes number 17 in a commit or PR links it directly to the real issue. Merging that PR automatically closes the real linked issue. Open a real issue for something in your own project and link a PR to it with fixes hash. Ready to stop a real bad pull request from ever reaching main?